Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use Affirm as a payment method on Amazon. Righto, ladies and gentlemen, so Amazon.com, and you are in their homepage. You're going to go ahead and choose an item that you would like to make a purchase with. What you're going to do is, once you're done, you will see up at the top on the right hand side, it says basket. This is your basket, your cart. This is your purchase items. And on the right hand side, you will see the proceed to checkout. So let's go and click on that. And here you will see you are paying with a MasterCard, and it'll have the last 4 digits of your MasterCard card number. And just underneath this, you should get an option that says you can change your payment method. Now, you'll be able to, if Affirm is available in your region, you'll be able to choose Affirm as a payment plan. Once you've selected this, you can go ahead and click on place your order, and that'll be your method of payment on Amazon. I hope this was helpful.